Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you are having a great day. So currently I am in the phase of painting. We are going to retouch the subject of the kitchen, but as I'm waiting for the countertops to come in, I'm going to attempt to hit other areas of the house. So this is the upstairs landing of our home, and when I woke up today to paint, my boyfriend's son said he wanted to help. So not only am I painting, but I'm also teaching him. So the process was a little bit longer than normal, but I am definitely here when the kids want to help. It just kind of assists with them learning a little bit more about what I do. And not only that, have a greater appreciation for keeping things up. We actually have company in the house right now. It's my cousin's 3 kids. We're pretty much like sisters at this point. And so they were telling the kids, like, don't touch that. You guys got to do this or whatever. And so I really like that for them, because part of obtaining a home is also maintaining your home. And so today, not only am I painting, but I'm also teaching him. I'm moving pretty quickly because today is not really a teachable day. The painter is downstairs in my office. I'm going to share that. He's wrapping everything up with plastic. So I have to go around the light fixtures 100% to do that before he comes upstairs and finish wrapping in plastic, because tomorrow he's going to come in to do a full-on spray. And I also have the electrician here, and he's going to be installing the light. So as they're working in the kitchen downstairs, I am upstairs painting. So the house is full. Pretty much the color that is on the built-in is called Flat Iron by Claire's. I am going to double check the color, but I'm 100% sure it's Flat Iron. Now, this is an online paint company. I love the quality of the paint. I love the sheen, and I also love the application. I've used it in my laundry room. I've used it in the primary suite. And so this particular company is really all over the house. The added bonus is the company is also Black woman owned. And so if you guys are looking for some paint, please check them out. I'll be leaving a link to their site. That way it will direct you. That way you can pick out some colors and you can order some sample swatches so you can see what color kind of goes with you.
You repair my weakness, satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why you act like you innocent. You wanna take a piece of my heart again. I get it, cause I just don't know. Something in your eyes, the way you stare me that I like. I wanna let you go, but it's like something holds me tight. You might break my heart tonight, but I'm gonna hold it tight. Oh, it feels like yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow, yellow, yellow. You have to let me go. Yellow, yellow. It hurts like yellow. We tried too many times. You're misbehaving. You must not know me. You make me crazy, kinda like Johnny. Don't sit down, better, making me lose my mind, cause I just don't know.
I've mentioned this in several videos, but if you are new, the reason why I wanted to create this particular built-in with 6 drawers is because the house itself lacks a lot of storage. And again, not only are my kids here, but we have family that comes over, their kids come over, and I don't know. I want my home to be well lived in, but I also don't want it to look like it's well lived in. So I always try to create little hideaways to store things. So not only are the kids going to be using this, so I've given 1 drawer to each room. but I also have like cleaning products going to be going in here and different items. Now, previously, when we moved into this house, this hallway was pretty small. So during the renovation process, I needed to open it. So this was the previous hallway. I want to say it was about maybe like 2 feet wide, maybe 2.5 feet wide, but we could not walk side by side to go down the hallway. We literally had to walk in a singular line, and that really bothered me. And I'm like, we have to do the expansion. Now, in a previous video, someone mentioned that, why do the expansion and then put the unit in there, the built-in? And the reason why is, even though the built-in system is in the hallway, is still much wider than what it was previously. This is the current landing. And when I say current, this is about 2 days ago. It is fully painted. Lighting is installed. So this is the lighting at its full beam, and then this is it currently at a medium. And then you can definitely go low. I love the overall look. Again, it's much bigger than what we had previously, and it offers the extra storage. The guy did a really great job building this. Now, I'm going to show you guys my downstairs office. I had a brand deal that I had to do this particular morning, and so I quickly went in there to get that done. I am going in with Sherwin-Williams in this room just because I love the urethane trim. I just love it. It's really nice. The blue color on this cabinet, originally I was going to change it to go with black, but then the blue just really grew on me, and I thought it would complement the room across, which I will share at a later date. And so I completed my brand deal, which was with HDTV Smart Home, and they also love the space, by the way. And so once that was done, I did all of my editing and did all of my work. And then I allowed the painter to go in and do all of the wrapping. And then he went in and sprayed. So I just kind of peeked my phone into the room, but it was really foggy in there. It's daylight outside, but it doesn't even look like that just because the windows are covered. Everything is covered, and he went in and sprayed, and we are using the Greco. I'll leave that linked also. I never used it, and so I felt comfortable letting him do it, and then he showed me how to use it, so I will be spraying in the future. For those of you that are new to my channel, this was the space before. I did a house tour and I shared every single area of the house because I knew the transformation was going to be amazing, and I needed the person that was sitting at home thinking to themselves, oh my God, I need to sell my house. That maybe selling your house may not be the solution. Maybe you just need a little bit of sprucing up, a little idea, a little tweak, a little, sprinkle, razzle dazzle in your space. Because when I initially walked in, I allowed the house to not only speak to me, but also speak to the overall needs of the family. And I don't know, I say this all the time, and I feel like at this point it's part of my identity. When it comes to the house, I am just amazing, if I may say so myself. I run my house really, really well, and I take pride in that. And so not only am I designing, but I'm also creating solutions for everyone in the house. And so me and baby work from home, but I knew that I wanted to create something where both of us can use the space and it was going to be adequate and no one was going to get frustrated. And so far, no one is frustrated currently. And when I say currently, I mean as of this morning. I recorded my office and I am just in awe. I continue to surprise myself, not just because the office overall, but the due diligence of the process. So the cabinet units were purchased from the restore. I got them for $600, and then I had a carpenter come in to do the bookcase. Now this area was fully painted, but I did not like the wood graining, and so my painter came in and he put wood filler on the back. That's gonna dry for about 24 hours, and he's gonna sand it and he's gonna come back. The art is something that I pretty much repurposed from my living room But as you can see from the before to the after, again, you just need to learn how to appreciate your space and use it the best way. And that means not including anyone else in your process. I hope you guys are enjoying the transformation in the content, because it's content for you, but it's definitely real life for me. And again, I cannot wait to actually start using this office. Pretty much that's it, you guys. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.